Greetings, everyone. This is Dr. Charles McWilliams in sunny Florida on the December 28th in the year of our Lord 2022. And I want to thank Dr. Ed Kondrat for inviting me to have the opportunity to speak with you and give you some up-to-date information on electric healing, bioelectric healing, and all the facets and help that we do for patients. And what we have uncovered in the last 2 years since my last talk with Dr. Kondrat is a aspect of ether physics that puts the total understanding of electric phenomena in the human body and how that couples with the bodily pH, the acid-alkaline balance, neural stimulation of tissue, and layered on top of that, the importance of frequency. As another dynamic involved with the bioelectrical phenomena. So in my talk for you, I will be giving you golden nuggets that have basically exploded the lid off the brains of all of my students and people I work with, because we have arrived at a completely new understanding, realizing that electrical phenomena deals with the so-called vacuum. There is no vacuum in space. That was a contrived phenomena of early physics in the earliest 20th century. We no longer live in that world. They speak about dark matter. Well, we don't speak of it as dark matter. It's actually light matter, and light matters for everything, as all of you followers of Dr. Kondrat know. So the optical stimulation in the back of the eye is one of the principal gateways of energy flooding the human body, keeping it alive. And we'll be discussing those aspects as how those blocked energy channels that are not reaching certain bodily tissues can be augmented with all of the electrotherapies that you've been practicing. And frequency, of course, is the secret, so to speak, of opening those gateways. So I wish you all a very beautiful, happy new year. And I look forward to seeing you in March. And I will guarantee you, if I don't knock your socks off, I'll give you your dollars back. And if I do knock your socks off, I encourage you to follow more of my teachings and also the goodwill and work of Dr. Ed Kondrat and the microcurrent group. Blessings, and have a beautiful, happy new year for this coming of 2023.